Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today I'll be reading Bath Time by Sandra Boynton. Let's get into the video. Today I'll be reading Bath Time. Hey, what do you say? It's time to take a bath today. Bring your ducky, bring your boat, bring the toys that like to float. Gently scrub from top to toes. Now I kiss you on the nose, all clean. I hope you guys enjoyed Bath Time by Sandra Boynton, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.